Are you also scared of losing your data, your Windows OS and everything that you have in your local disk C? Today I'm going to show you the easiest fix so you can carry your entire USB drive, like carry your entire OS and all the data in the C drive to a USB. It's a very simple fix, like it's a very simple process. Just open up a new tab on your browser, search for EaseUS. Go here, EaseUS software. In EaseUS, go to backup and restore. And here, just click on that backup and restore. Free download backup and restoring software from system file, disk and partition. Hit on free download. And if you want to sign up, just sign up. Like it will ask you to sign up. You can put in an email here and just go to the Microsoft. You can install it from Microsoft Store, to be honest, but we'll go to the official website. Here click on free download, and after that hit save. Wait for it to download. While it downloads, just make sure you put in a USB and format it. Like the app will format it, but make sure you also format it. Get your USB in, right click on it, go to format and set it to NTFS, because NTFS is way better if you are dealing with operating systems. Okay, hit that, click start, hit OK, and then we'll have our drive formatted. Quick format will do the job. Okay, close, and let's see. Then hit on this, install the application. We are going to install this application, and you can carry your OS everywhere. Like you can have your OS and your data in a USB drive that you can use when you have a corrupted PC or anything. You can use the system mode if you just want the OS that we're gonna focus on. Disk mode that you can use to copy everything on your disk. Like you can select any disk here. Okay, I can select my SSD, I can select my HDD, like hard disk. In partition mode, you can source a partition, like you can use a USB as a partition. You can migrate to Windows 11. You can make an emergency disk or maybe a network clone to a different PC. These are all some useful features. You can also upgrade their plan. They have some paid plan, like you can see here, but we'll be using the free plan. And we'll go to system mode. Here I have Windows 10 64-bit, right? It has already detected that. Then I'll select this disk, target disk. In this mode, if you want to copy your disk, I'll select the source, like for me my SSD, this O, and then I'll select my target. As you can see, it's not gonna copy everything, but if you have a TB USB, you can just select the target and hit select. After that, you can see the preview here. It will show you the partition layout. Hit next, and here autofill the disk. Just autofill it. Don't add as disk layout, don't copy as the source. Just let it copy it on its own on automatic. Then hit proceed. After waiting for a few time, your OS, your SSD or whatever you chose as your main source will be copied on your USB. So that's the trick. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Peace out.